Dad. I call this one the saggy sphincter. The leaky hand. Still not gonna get away. Oh, you're in that.
You can get in there if you want. I'm getting hits like crazy right now. Oh, I missed one. He's back. I don't think they're very big. Oh, he probably... He grabbed my worm. Oh no. You go. You don't go soon, I'm gonna go. Yeah. Oh, yeah, you got him. Oh. Oh, you got a big fish, Con. Oh, you do. What about? Can you believe this? I gotta see this fish, Con.
Holy fuck. Can I let him go a bit?
No, keep reeling. I'm gonna tighten up your drag a little bit. This is a battle. Oh my god. You gotta tighten up your drag. Just hold on here. A little bit. Yeah, okay. Oh, okay, don't pull him up on shore. No, oh no, let's put him back in the water. Oh, look at that.
Holy fuck. That's a winning fish.
I got it.
Oh, he's in his bin.
Yeah, that's okay. Okay, we gotta unhook him. Get the pliers. There you go.
What a monster. That was like the best battle of my life. Sweet.